What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon or morning or evening, wherever you're from. And welcome to a new video in which I quickly wanted to cover Dogechain. A new, not meme token, but a new project based around Dogecoin actually. Which has been pretty bullish, as you can see, over the last weekend. So I just wanted to cover it. I'm a little bit late because well, yeah, I don't know, had a busy weekend, didn't see it. And I mean, cryptos like these, you don't see them a lot because we were bullish. In the end, we were up like 400%. But you tend to not see cryptos where the market cap is not verified or where the volume is, yeah, I don't know. But I wanted to cover it in this video, do a quick kind of like a review, but also take a look at the price. On the short term, what's most likely? Because, and the first thing I want to say is that I'm never afraid to call a coin a meme coin, but Dogechain is actually not so much a meme coin. It kind of is because it's all based around Dogecoin, all right? It's kind of an extension of Dogecoin, and it strives to provide some sort of a decentralized ecosystem around Dogecoin, right? So with games, NFTs and stuff. That's not possible in Dogecoin. Dogecoin is a fork of Litecoin, I believe, and it's not possible on certain cryptos or on certain blockchains, I should say. And Dogecoin wants to actually change that. And I'm not sure if they already did. I mean, it seems like they already have some sort of a decentralized ecosystem around it, as you can see. So yeah, they're doing some great things. Apart from that, the main thing is, I actually do think that with a 7.6 million market cap, this could actually become very big. I mean, I could say this, if the Dogecoin community really picks it up. In the end, I think only in a bull market or in more bullish market circumstances, it's possible to have a huge bull run with Dogecoin. And I think we need a very bullish Dogecoin to have a very big bull run with Dogechain. But in the end, it's also still possible now, but not as big as you'd probably like. All right, I don't think we'll get to 100 million market cap. The maximum really is a 50 million market cap if everything works out well, right? But the main thing is, for the long term, if you would want to see a very huge Dogechain, is first of all, you need a very bullish Dogecoin. Dogecoin doesn't or must not die, which is possible because a lot of meme tokens have died, but Dogecoin obviously is the biggest one out there still. And you would need more development on Dogecoin or Dogechain. I think you need a bigger ecosystem. I think you need some more usable applications because, I mean, this all seems, I mean, I don't want to be, not nice about it, but these just seem like some generic ecosystem apps, right? A yield optimizer, Doge name service, all right, and then you have Dogebee, such as an NFT marketplace, a decentralized exchange. You have sports betting. I mean, almost every ecosystem has that, and you need some apps with real utility, at least to the community, and I think that's still lacking. On the short term though, if we actually take a look at the price, what you can see is that we had quite a nice run. But right now we hit the 618 fib of this last bearish move. As you can see, we hit that 618 fib. I think that's strong enough to push us down to this level right here at around 12.50. That's what I'm going to name the prices as. In reality, it's 0.12.5 cents, right? 0.12.5 cents, but doesn't matter. 1200, I think we're dropping down there, and that's the most important level right now. That's at 382 fib. It's a very strong fib, also for Dogecoin, especially for Dogecoin. Dogechain actually, but also for Dogecoin, but doesn't matter. So we're going to drop down there. Now we're going to find support there, definitely I think, but what we would need to do after finding support there is we need to also break above this level right here at 1500. If we do that, I think we can easily get up to 2000 and maybe even higher, but 2000 is my initial price target, and from there I'll do another analysis. Now, this is the most bullish scenario, all right? Because as I said, we're dropping down there to that 1250 level, but that really is the most important level because we will find support there. But if we don't break above 1500, and if we break down below that level, we're going to drop down all the way to 1100, find some support there, and then drop down to this level right here between 950 and 1,000. And that's not great, because then we're probably also going to, I mean, we still have a small chance at 1,000, 950, 1,000 to still get back up, but the chances of getting a new local top are very small, and to be honest, the chances are even bigger to drop down even lower towards that 750 level. So yeah, that 1250 level, 1250 level actually is way more important than it might seem at this point of time. And what's going to happen in the upcoming days and weeks really depends on that level, at least in my opinion. So that's my take on Dogechain for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you all for watching and listening. Take care and bye.